What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. This is the Rideshare Hub, where we talk about Uber and Lyft and all of the gig economy, different ways to increase your earnings and just tips for drivers. So in today's video, we're talking about the Uber and Lyft and gig company smart strikes that is going on July 4th. From 7 to 8 a.m. and 7 to 8 p.m. daily and ongoing. So I just heard about this from the Rideshare Professor, and I wanted to share this all with you guys. And I wanted to ask you guys if you will be participating. So again, that's going to be taking place on July 4th, and I believe that is nationwide in America. And this is basically in support of these companies taking care of drivers and increasing pay. There's an ongoing battle between drivers and the companies right now, they're really hurting and they're really struggling to actually hire new drivers, because a lot of drivers don't want to work because the pay is just really not high right now, especially with the rising gas prices and stuff, that little surcharge they threw on per ride. So I just wanted to make this quick update video. We'll have a link below to Rideshare Professor's hour-and-a-half video. But again, just wanted to make this quick update and let you know, come together as a community, because that's what this is all about, and that's how change can really happen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.